Hi everyone. So yesterday we worked on multiplying fractions. Today we'll be working on dividing fractions. You should recognize that 4 is a fraction because we just put it 4 over 1. Before we go into how to divide fractions, what I want to do is I want you to understand what it means. This means we have 4 things, okay, 4 apple pies, divided into piles or plates or slices. Let's just say 4 apple pies divided into slices that are 1/3 the pie. So let's get another pie here. So we have 4 pies, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. And we're going to divide them into piles or onto plates that have 1/3 of the pie on each plate. So I divided them into thirds. And the answer is 3, 6, 9, 12. Therefore, 4 divided by 1/3 equals 12. Okay, I'm sure you don't want to draw a whole bunch of circles or something like that to find every answer. Before I go on to the simple procedures or the complicated procedures, I'm going to ask you what 1/4 divided by 4 is. So here I am going to get rid of 1/2, sorry, 1/2 divided by 4. I got rid of half of the pie and I cut them into 4 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slices, and the answer is 1/8. Well, it shows that it's 1/8. Here's the whole pie. So if you notice, I have 8 slices total, but I'm only looking at half of it, dividing them into 4 slices. Let's try to go on to the procedure. So here we have 2/10 divided by 1/3. We keep this the same. It doesn't change. That's how much we have. And we found through doing this over and over and over again that if we multiply it by the reciprocal, or flip it, we will get the correct answer, 6/10. 2 times 3 is 6, 10 times 1 is 10. We can simplify that to be 3/5. Here's one more. It stays. We change to multiplication, and we flip it to be 2 over 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. The answer is 2/3. It cannot be simplified. Okay, you can hit pause and try to do number 4 right now. Okay, remember that 4/5 stays the same. Division changes to multiplication, and we take the reciprocal of this, 10 over 9. 4/5 times 10 over 9 equals 40 over 45, which can be simplified to be 8 over 9. Before continuing, I am going to post a couple problems on Schoology, and you should attempt them now, and then go back to the video and watch the next part where we're going to be dividing mixed numbers. Okay, when we're dividing mixed numbers, still the first one stays the same. The division changes to multiplication, and the second fraction, you have to reciprocal. So how did I get the 14 over 3? Well, I did 3 times 4 plus 2. 3 times 4 plus 2, 14. 2 times 2 plus 1 is 5. The denominator stays the same. You don't have to get a common denominator. So what do? The first fraction stays, changes to multiplication, and we flip which equals 28 over 15. So you can hit pause and try this one. Remember, you have to turn the mixed number into an improper fraction, and then do stay, change to multiplication, reciprocal, and multiply. Go ahead and hit pause. Okay, let's see what I did. I did 2 times 5 plus 3 is 13. 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7. The denominators stay the same. They don't change. And this is what we get, 13 over 5, 7 over 2. Stay, change to multiplication, reciprocate. When you multiply, it's 13 times 2 and 5 times 7, 26 over 35. Okay, I'm going to put on a couple more problems on Schoology. Go ahead and give those a try. Remember, if you have any questions, you can always message me through the Remind service or write on Schoology. Take care, guys.